As you may have heard, Elon Musk recently sent an email to his staff that gave them his 6 rules for productivity. Unsurprisingly, the email was leaked, and the content found its way to Twitter, because that's one of Twitter's many talents, that and posting memes. Fortunately for us though, Elon happens to be part of the Twitterati, an active Twitterer. Oh yeah, and he owns Twitter. So he was kind enough to chime in and verify that this was indeed the email he sent. Which means that the contents of this email are worth taking a closer look at. Much closer. Because, love him or hate him, there's no arguing that as the founder of multiple companies and the richest man in the world, the man knows a thing or two about getting stuff done. So with that said, let's dive into Elon's first rule for productivity, which is to avoid large meetings. In Elon's words, large meetings waste valuable time and energy. They discourage debate, people are more guarded than open, and there's not enough time for everyone to contribute. The key point here, don't schedule large meetings unless you're certain they provide value to everyone. Next rule, leave a meeting if you're not contributing. If a meeting doesn't require your input, value, or decisions, then your presence is useless. It's not rude to leave a meeting, but it's rude to waste people's time. Rule number 3, forget the chain of command. Communicate with colleagues directly, not through supervisors or managers. Fast communicators make fast decisions, and fast decisions equal a competitive advantage. Next rule, be clear, not clever. Avoid nonsense words and technical jargon. It slows down communication. Choose words that are concise, to the point, and easy to understand. Don't sound smart, be efficient. Okay, moving on to rule number 5. Ditch frequent meetings. There's no better way to waste everyone's time. Use meetings to collaborate, attack issues head on, and solve urgent problems. But once you resolve the issue, frequent meetings are no longer necessary. You can resolve most issues without a meeting. Instead of meetings, send a text, send an email, communicate on a Discord or Slack channel. Don't interrupt your team's workflow if it's unnecessary. Rule number 6, use common sense. If a company rule doesn't make sense, contribute to progress, or apply to your specific situation, avoid following the rule with your eyes closed. Don't follow rules, follow principles. And to see how Elon applied all of these rules to turn Tesla into one of the fastest growing brands in the world without spending a single dollar on advertising, check out this video right here, which is going to show you exactly how he did it. So make sure to check that out now, and I'll see you there in just a second.